Hello friends, welcome once again Udan the Fly. And today I want to introduce all of you guys the syllabus of PGT. First, you know what is the syllabus of PGT, particularly concerning with the literature. And your syllabus has three parts for literature. The first part is concerned to British writers, poets, prose writers, and novelists. And second part is concerned with American writers. And third part is concerned with Indian writers. So you have to study three group of writers: American, Britishers, and Indian. So first, William Shakespeare. Second, William Wordsworth. Third, P.B. Shelley. Fourth, John Keats. Fifth, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Sixth, Matthew Arnold. Seventh, Charles Lamb. Eighth, Charles Dickens. Ninth, Thomas Hardy. 10th, T.S. Eliot. 11th, W.B. Yeats. 12th, D.H. Lawrence. 13th, G.B. Shaw. In this picture, you also must concern with Indian authors R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, Kamala Das, Naseem Ezekiel, and American authors Robert Frost, Walt Whitman, Ernest Hemingway, and William Faulkner. So this is syllabus of PGT. And after that, we shall do some work at multiple choice questions today. You all know what is the syllabus of PGT, but you must also know that there is some difference between the syllabus of PGT and TGT. There are two authors who are concerned with TGT but not with PGT, and they are John Milton and Galsworthy. John Milton and Galsworthy are connected in the syllabus of TGT, but they are not connected with the syllabus of PGT. You must know that, remember that. I have provided full syllabus. I will tell you about Galsworthy also and John Milton also, because the students of TGT can be also get a benefit from this lecture. So today we shall talk something about multiple choice questions. Today, first question: in which book of Charles Dickens we find the character called Pip? In which book of Charles Dickens we find the character called Pip? Charles Dickens was a novelist. He was a great novelist. And the beginning story of Charles Dickens was very ridiculous. You will very surprised when you know how the childhood of Charles Dickens passed. When he went to school, he didn't like to study. His brain was not prepared to study. And he left classes, went at the shore of sea, and enjoying the peaceful environment of sea and the wind. And his father was informed that Charles Dickens was not a good student and he left classes. Then his father told the teacher that if my son is inclined towards nature, he will get some path in future. There is no harm. He will get some path. He will get some career in that field. So, such type of novelist was Charles Dickens. And here the first question is related with Charles Dickens. In which book of Charles Dickens we find the character called Pip? Pip, name of a character. So you have to select right answer, and the right answer is B, Great Expectations. The right answer is B, Great Expectations. Now, second question. In which work of Dickens one can find the character called Miss Pross? This question is, in which work of Dickens, you can say in which book or novel, you can find the character called Miss Pross. So, which is the particular book which is related with character Miss Pross? And the right answer will be, please select. Please select. Right answer will be Oliver Twist. Right answer is A, Oliver Twist. And now third question. Oh, sorry. Who is called Prince of Essayists? Very good question. Who is called Prince of Essayists? Francis Bacon, Dr. Johnson, Charles Lamb, none of these. There are 4 options. And you have to select Prince of Essayists. You have to select. And the right answer is Charles Lamb, C. Right answer is Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb is called Prince of Essayists. So right answer is Charles Lamb. Now fourth question. Sorry. When the Wasteland published in Wasteland, you know, name of a novel, Wasteland. So what is the publication year of Wasteland? When Wasteland was published? There are 4 options: 1915, 1918, 1922 and 1933. You have to select right answer. And the right answer is C, 1922. Right answer is C, 1922. Now fifth question. Fifth question. Thomas Hardy is known as, Thomas Hardy was a great novelist. His famous novels are, Far from Madding Crowd and The Mayor of Casterbridge, Jude the Obscure. These are the great novels of Thomas Hardy. And here the question is, Thomas Hardy is known as, the first option is epistolary novelist, second is local novelist, third is a regional novelist, and fourth is none of these. You have to select right answer. What type of novelist Thomas Hardy was? You have to select answer now. And the right answer is regional novelist. C. Right answer is regional novelist. Now, sixth question. Who is writer of Background Casually? Who is writer of Background Casually? Nissim Ezekiel. C. Right answer is C. Nissim Ezekiel. There are some tricks how to select answer. If you are confused, if you can't remind what may be right answer, then you can select a trick. And the trick is, what is that I'm saying to you? First option is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, the name of books R.K. Narayan, Malgudi Days, Guide. These are famous creation of R.K. Narayan. And second option is Mulk Raj Anand. Famous novel of Mulk Raj Anand is Untouchability. Untouchability. So he is not also the writer of Background Casually. So two options expelled. Don't think about two options. Fourth option is Narayan Das. Narayan Das is concerned with, not maybe. So right answer will be C. Nissim Ezekiel. He is Indian writer. Nissim Ezekiel. And now, seventh question. Whose death is mourned in the poem Tharsis by Arnold? Tharsis, this is a poem. And Matthew Arnold's poem, Tharsis. So here question is, whose death is mourned? Whose death is mourned in the poem Tharsis by Matthew Arnold? First option is Milton, second is A. Hallam, C is A.H. Clarke, and D is Priestley. You think about that. So right answer is A.H. Clarke. Right answer is A.H. Clarke. And now, eighth. Question number 8. When was Charles Dickens born? In my first video, I gave you information that timing, dates are very important for your examination. These all questions have been concerned in your examination. And this question is concerned with timing, year, chronology. So, you must focus on chronology in any subject. If that is history, if that is English, if that is any subject. Chronology is very important. Often this is stated in examinations, So the question is, when was Charles Dickens born? And the right answer is A, 1812. 1812. Right answer is A. And now question number 9. Venus and Adonis is a poem by. Venus and Adonis is a poem by. Options are William Shakespeare, Arnold, Milton, none of these. And the right answer is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare. Venus and Adonis is a poem by William Shakespeare. Now question number 10. Sorry. Question number 8. Charles Dickens born. It has been done. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is the opposite of the word smile? What is the opposite of the word smile? Dark, weep, frown, angry. Smile. Opposite of smile is frown. So right answer is C. Smile, this is smile, and frown, this is frown. Opposite of smile, frown. And now the question number is 11. Dungeon in Hell. Dungeon in Hell is a scene which figures in the work. Very important question. Dungeon in Hell is a scene which figures in the work. Inferno, Purgatory, Man and Superman, Resurrection. 4 options. And the right answer is Man and Superman. This is written by, Bernard Shaw, Man and Superman. So right answer is Man and Superman. And now question number is 12. Who is the originator of prose writing known as character in literature? Who is the originator of prose writing known as character in literature? There are 4 options: Aristotle, Plato, Sidney, Sophocles. If you use common sense, then you can get answer here. Most of the things were originated by Aristotle. He was a great thinker. He was a great and versatile person, Aristotle. He is father of so many subjects. So the right answer is Aristotle. A. Aristotle, what you call Arastu, Aristotle. And now question number 13. Bleak House is a novel by. Bleak House is a novel by. Think about that. Charles Dickens, E.M. Forster, Hardy, or none of these. So Bleak House is a novel by Charles Dickens. The right answer is Charles Dickens. And now the question number is 14. What is Pip's full name? In Great Expectations by Dickens. What is Pip's full name? In Great Expectations by Dickens. First option is Philip Pirrip. Second option is Philip Beale. Third option is Pepys. And fourth option is none of these. So right answer is B. Philip Beale. Philip Beale. The full name of Pip's is Philip Beale. Sorry. Really, I'm sorry. Sorry, not Philip Beale, but Philip Pirrip. The right answer is Philip Pirrip. I was confused something, I'm so sorry. The right answer is Philip Pirrip. This is confirm answer, no confusion. This is confirm answer. Philip Pirrip. The full name of Pip's is Philip Pirrip. And now question number 15. Sorry. 13. Oh, what is this? 12. $13. I think this question has been done. Bleak House is a novel by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. This is a repeated question, I think. Bleak House is a novel by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens, you know. 14, question number 14. Oh, this is done. This has been done. Now 15. Pope could fix in one couplet more sense than I can do in 6. It's said by. Very important question. Great comment. Pope could fix in one couplet more sense than I can do in 6. Is said by. First option is Dr. Johnson. Second is Swift, Oliver Swift. Third is Milton, and fourth option is none of these. So what may be right answer? Swift. Right answer is Swift. Right answer is Swift. B. Swift. And now question number 16. Walt Whitman is basically known as. Walt Whitman, you know, American writer. Walt Whitman is basically known as democratic, socialist, capitalist, or none of these. Democratic. The right answer is democratic. A. Now, question number 17. Sir Bedivere is a character in the poem by Tennyson. Tennyson, you know, full name of Tennyson, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Sir Bedivere is a character in the poem by Tennyson. Right answer will be A. Morte d'Arthur. Right answer will be A. Morte d'Arthur. Now question number 18. When was Kamala Das born? When was Kamala Das born? And the right answer is 1934. A. 1934. A. Right answer. The birth year of Kamala Das. And now question number 19. Who wrote the poem Shakespeare? This is the name of a poem, Shakespeare. We are not talking about Shakespeare, but this is the name of a poem, Shakespeare. And who wrote? Who wrote the poem Shakespeare? And the right answer will be Matthew Arnold, C. Right answer will be Matthew Arnold, C. And today's last question now. When was Charles Lamb born? When was Charles Lamb born? What is the birth year of Charles Lamb? And the right answer is 1775. A. 1775. So friends, today we made a conversation with 20 questions MCQ, and now I will provide every day multiple choice questions to you. And today, for some technical problem, I cannot provide you my lecture even before, but in the future, every day I will provide you first of all lecture, and after that multiple choice questions every day. So today I think we have selected some important questions, and I will try to find important questions in future also. So thank you friends, all of the best.